Hello, my name's Patrice. I'm going to introduce to you now Triaxle, a group who through the Tennant's Lager talent show in Swan Lake Hotel Monaghan came out tops. Sit back, relax for the next half an hour and enjoy Triaxle.
On the highways all through Europe, there's living proof today of a truck that is a legend from Armagh to Marseille. You'll have trouble overtaking one, that's one damn sure thing. It don't matter what they tell you, the Scania's still the king. Well, you can keep your lil on Martha and your satin Nicky too. Your F and Foden, for they haven't got a clue. At the foot of some steep mountain, you simply sink the shoe. Then you thank the Lord for Scania and the mighty 142. Next time you're out in Rotterdam or down near old Bordeaux, no need to ask them what's the best that chose Scania long ago. When you're climbing up the great Mont Blanc, listen to that engine sing. It don't matter what they tell you, the Scania's still the king. Well, you can keep your Leyland Marathon and your satin Nicky too. Your F and Foden, for they haven't got a clue. At the foot of some steep mountain, you simply sink the shoe. Then you thank the Lord for Scania and the mighty 142. It's time I got her lit up, and it's time I moved along. I hope that no one's took offence at the words of this old song. Keep those trucks between the hedges, that's the most important thing. And remember what I told you, the Scania's still the king. Well, you can keep your Leyland Marathon and your satin Nicky too. Your F and Foden, for they haven't got a clue. At the foot of some steep mountain, you simply sink the shoe. Then you thank the Lord for Scania and the mighty 142. Then you thank